Ever wondered how to make authentic Chinese noodles at home? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're journeying into the heart of Chinese cuisine to bring that experience right into your kitchen. The first step is gathering all the necessary ingredients. For our homemade Chinese noodles, we'll need all-purpose flour, water, and a pinch of salt. It's simplicity at its finest. Now, the magic begins. Start by pouring 2 cups of all-purpose flour into a large bowl. Add a half teaspoon of salt and mix it well. This forms the base of our noodle dough. Next, slowly add water, stirring as you go until a dough begins to form. Use about 3/4 of a cup of water, but remember, the amount of water can vary depending on the flour. The goal is to achieve a firm but pliable dough. Once the dough comes together, it's time to knead. Turn the dough out onto a clean, floured surface and knead it for about 10 minutes. The dough should become smooth and elastic, a sign that the gluten is well developed and ready to create those chewy, delicious noodles. After kneading, wrap the dough in plastic wrap and let it rest for about 2 hours. Patience is key here. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, making the dough easier to roll and shape later. When the dough is well rested, the real fun begins, shaping the noodles. Divide the dough into 4 equal parts. Working with one piece at a time, roll the dough out into a thin rectangular sheet. Then, fold the sheet of dough into layers and cut it into thin strips using a sharp knife. Unroll each strip and voila, you have homemade Chinese noodles. The final step is cooking the noodles. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, add the noodles and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. The noodles should float to the top and be al dente when done. So, to summarize, and there you have it, authentic, homemade Chinese noodles made from scratch in your very own kitchen. With this recipe, the possibilities are endless. Stir-fry, soup, or just a simple noodle dish. It's a culinary adventure waiting to happen. Enjoy the process and savor the